In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add animated text in Elementor. So in order to do this, you need to head over first to their website, which is elementor.com. Into this page, just head over and click onto this Get Started option in order to create an account. But if you already have one, head over and click onto this Login option that you should be able to see right here. Now, into this part, the next thing we need to do is we just need to head over to WordPress.com since this will serve as the hosting for the Elementor. Click on this Get Started option in order to create an account, or click on this login if you already have one. You can connect those two together in order to create a website. So I already have an account, and this is my actual website. Here is my actual settings right here. Now into this part, we just need to add an animated text. So for example, I already have in here this text that I have created. So if you wish to actually create it, you can head over and then click onto this heading and then just choose wherein you want to add this. So as you can see, when select a particular case, you can head over to style and then into this, you should be able to see heading options. And when you head over to your advanced, you can see this motion effects. So in here, you can enable some scrolling effects and in here some animation. On default, there's actually a fading animation already added, but you can choose in here which one you want. For example, let's choose in here a bounce in option, and that it will be a preview of that particular text. If you wish to add a new text, you can click onto this plus icon and choosing here the heading option and then add that wherever you want to put it and it will be added right around here. So just should do the same thing by going to the actual advanced option, then hovering to the motion effects and adding in here the actual animation that you wish to use into this particular part. So that's how you add animated text in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.